Karlman King designed to look like a stealth fighter, but make as many people notice you as possible. It's been designed by a team of 1,800 working for the Chinese company IAT, and assembled over here in Europe. Karlman King starts off life as an F550, but eventually ends up as the Batmobile you see before you. The extensive transformation includes tuning the Ford 6.8-liter V10 to 396 bhp, and mating it to a 6-speed Autobox with all-wheel drive and air suspension, which you'll probably need if you're in the habit of crossing deserts in your lunch break. That V10 lump suggests decent performance, but when you factor in the car's 4.5-ton car weight and 6-meter length, maybe it'll just about get past motorway speeds.